Let's talk about the importance of a healthy gas line in your house, a silent servant that powers our stoves, heats our water, and warms our homes. Ensuring its health is paramount for the safety and efficiency of your household. A healthy gas line means efficient energy delivery. Leaks, wear, or corrosion can compromise this system, leading to energy waste and higher bills. Regular inspections and maintenance are key to keeping your gas line in top shape. Safety is non-negotiable. A well-maintained gas line reduces the risk of leaks and potential hazards. Carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless gas, can be deadly if undetected. Regular checkups and carbon monoxide detectors are your first line of defense. In the heart of your home, your kitchen, a healthy gas line powers your cooking appliances. Precision and control in your culinary endeavors depend on the reliability of this invisible force. It's more than just convenience. It's about creating memorable moments around the dinner table. Think about your hot showers, warm winter nights, and the joy of gathering with loved ones, all made possible by a reliable and healthy gas line. It's an investment in your family's comfort and well-being. So, when was the last time you thought about the health of your gas line? Ensure the safety and warmth of your home with a healthy gas line, and trust Arkansas Underground Leak Detection to keep it in top condition. As the silent guardian of your household, a well-maintained gas line ensures peace of mind and comfort. Contact us at 501-850-6674 or visit arkansasleaks.com to schedule a gas line inspection today. Your home deserves the best, and we make safety our priority.